Hi everyone, Steve Brown from Omni Marketing, and this morning I'm here with Mike Tench from Mike Tench Builders. We've been creating a series of videos just explaining what Mike and his team do. It's very difficult to explain what a builder does because they do such a wide range. And one of the things we were talking about was conservatories, because I normally just immediately think of double glazed companies when I'm thinking of conservatories, but Mike's telling me their company does conservatories. And why? What can you do that's different than saying going straight forward to a double glazed company, say?
Well, not all double glazing companies will provide you with the slab,
right,
as we should say, and the dwarf walls that the conservatory needs to be sat on. Sometimes they want you to get your own builder to put them in first,
right,
and then they'll come and do the conservatory afterwards, which can be a little bit of a pain because you've got to phone different people.
Right.
What we can offer, as I say, is a full service.
Right.
We'll come in from start to finish.
Right.
And that's what we can do.
Do you do bespoke then? Because conservatories normally, when you see, as I understand it, traditional conservatories and all that, it's more like a lean-to thing on the back, or even with the apex roof and that. But it's like it's a set pattern. If I've got limited space and limited shapes and all that, can you do a bespoke conservatory so it fits exactly what I need in the garden? Yeah,
as I say, we do all types. We do orangeries,
right,
which an orangery is not all glass.
Yeah.
It's basically a traditional extension. With a conservatory roof. We also do we use steel posts, right, so you can have a conservatory feel with a traditional roof, so right, you haven't got that noise of the polycarb or the glass. And
I was just going to say that I noticed next door to others, they've had a conservatory, but what I would call a traditional roof. They didn't have the perspex or glass roof or whatever, polycarb, whatever that material is, which once it starts raining you can't make yourself talk.
So I think, well, no, as I say, what we do, we put a steel structure up with the steel ridge, and then that takes the loading of the roof,
right,
and then your glass then is it's not supported, it's free.
Right.
So yeah, we do all aspects.
What about things like one thing I remember certainly years ago to see conservatories and all that is my own conservatory. You step and you're falling down because there's a 6 drop outside compared to inside.
Yeah.
How does it work? What do you do when you see on terms of making sure the structure's right? How does that work?
Yeah, we can bring the floor levels up to suit the existing.
Right.
The floor level will contain current regulations, whereas you put a 6-inch scalping,
right,
damp coat membrane, and a 4-inch Celtex board. Right. Finished then with a 4-inch concrete. Right. Or if you want to put underfloor heating out there.
Right. Good idea.
We can put your pipes in with a 2-inch liquid screed.
Right.
So
so you actually do all that type of stuff
we
then?
Do
underfloor heating, the electrics, everything?
Yeah, we do it all from start to finish.
Okay, so if somebody wanted a conservatory, they could literally say, this is what I had in my mind, give me a price on it, you can do the whole lot.
We can do it from start to finish.
Is there any building regs involved with conservatories? Because there seems to be so much misinformation out there.
Yes, there's different types. There's building under a certain size.
Yeah.
If it's just all PVC and glass, then no building regs is required.
Right.
But then if you go over, I think it's 30 square meters. Right. Then building regs and planning is required.
Okay. And what about the different types of roof? If I change it to, if I wanted a tile roof instead or something?
Yeah, well, as I say, they've got so many different systems now. They've got an actual to have a tile or slate roof, then you've got to have a structural engineer involved because of the weight and the loading of the spread. But there's a new system out now where they do a sheet, and it's tile effect. Right. So it looks like a tile effect roof, and it hasn't got the weight of a traditional roof. Right. So you can imagine, if you can imagine now, you've got a glass pane or polycarb that you just slide it out and slide this new system in, and it looks like a traditional roof.
What about what is it? I've asked you this in other videos. What if I've got a conservatory and I don't know, a couple of windows, the sections need changing, maybe the doors need changing or something. I think it is deteriorated over the years. I've bought a house, it's deteriorated. Do you get involved in projects?
Yeah, we can change glass. We do end up changing a lot of glass because the seals have blown and you've got condensation in between the panes. So yeah, we can come out and change the glass. Okay. That's no issue.
So you can get involved in any repairs as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, if you want to know anything, more about conservatories, if you want to get an idea of price, if you want to get an idea of all the different styles styles and types that are out there, so that you get a good idea of what you want in your own, you know, for your own home, for your own garden. All you got to do is give Mike or the boys a ring on the telephone number below this video, or simply have a look at the website. You know, the address is below the video. Have a look at the website and there's a lot more information there. Otherwise, we'll see you all in the next video.